Here we have a 71 plate BMW M340i XDRIVE. Now this vehicle comes with the 19-inch gloss black alloy wheels, all of which in excellent condition and unmarked with the red brake calipers behind. We do have the black sapphire metallic paintwork, LED headlights with the gloss black front grills and also front splitter, and there's a look at that front end. Now we do also have the M Performance kit on this vehicle, so as we come around to the passenger side you'll find the side skirts running along the bottom. We have colour coded door handles, black trim around the windows and the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top you find the black roof rails with the shark fin antennae and the rear spoiler. Now we also have the front and rear parking sensors with a rear reversing camera. We do have the dual exhaust at the back. Power operated tailgate, which is also split, so if you just open up the top half like so, just close that back and then press the button underneath here and you'll find it will open it like so. Inside of here you can see we have plenty of space. We do have the storage nets on both the left and the right hand side. We also have a 12-volt connectivity just there, parcel shelf at the top. We also have the button just here, press the button and then the boot will close again like so. Back round to the driver's side, you can see the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Now if we take a look at the interior, so inside of the back first you can see the full leather seats, foldable armrest in the centre. We also have fixed ISO points as well back here. We do have the M Sport style seat belts. Climate control in the centre for the rear passengers. You'll also find the electric windows and the doors. Now again at the front we have the same leather seats with both the front seats being heated. There is a quick look at both of them. Electric mirrors, electric windows with child lock for the rear. We have the multifunctional steering wheel, automatic lights with the ambient lighting, automatic wipers. Taking a seat inside you find the digital dashboard in front of us. We do have the paddle shifters either side of the steering wheel. Puts a foot on the brake, press the start button, then the vehicle will start up for us. Steering wheel is heated, you can activate it by pressing this button just here. You see it pops up on the dashboard that's been activated. We do have the cruise control and speedometer on the left hand side, along with the high beam assist on that stalk there. Now you can see we are free from any warning lights on the dashboard other than for the fuel level, so nothing to worry about. We also have the main infotainment screen in the centre, plenty of features on here. If this screen or any other lights are flickering, it's just the camera, they're not flickering in real life, so nothing to worry about. Now this is touchscreen, but we also have the buttons down here, so if you click onto media, then you find the radio stations along with the other media options on the left. We have the Bluetooth phone connectivity for phone calls. We also have a range of apps that are currently installed on the vehicle, along with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We do have the intelligent safety system, making it a very safe vehicle to drive. Further down you find the climate control. We also have the ice-cold air conditioning, heat seat buttons on either side. We also have the automatic gearbox down here with the different drive modes. So if you press onto here you find Adaptive, Eco Pro, Comfort and also Sport. Also changes the look of the dashboard as you go through the different drive modes. Putting the car into reverse, you'll also find the rear reversing camera where the parking sensors appear on the screen. Put it back into park by pressing P. We then have the electric handbrake and auto hold button. Armrest in the centre, which can be opened up for more storage. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with free nationwide delivery. Thank you for watching.